Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to go over your nice machine that just came in. This is an LVD shear, capacity of 1/4 inch, mild steel, over 13 feet. It's a very nice heavy duty machine. You can see it's got a light beam right in there so you can just illuminate your material. You can see that. It's kind of hard to see unless you're looking right at it. It's got a front operated power back gauge. Go ahead and move that in and out. Right here's your indicator. See that running nice and smooth. You'll have your square arm right here, another support, as well as your foot pedal for cutting. Now, being a hydraulic shear, there is a few nice options you're going to get with a hydraulic shear that you don't see on a mechanical. One's going to be if you're going to be going lighter material to heavier material on a mechanical such as this. You would adjust the bolt on each side, which actually moves the bed in and out and gets it closer and farther from the blade. Now that gap is going to make it so if you're doing thinner material, if there's a big gap, it's going to fold it right inside. With this machine right on the back, we'll show you. Right here, we're going to have our rake and our gap adjustments. So you see that handle right there, as well as your rake right here. It shows all the different sizes of material that you're going to be going down to. And you'll be able to just change it simply by twisting those knobs and moving the handle, rather than lining it all up like a mechanical with the nut in the front of the machine. So that's one nice option. Another one's going to be that you're going to have your stroke length control. So let's say you're just cutting some small pieces, 1 foot, 2 foot, even some straps or something, and you want to go ahead and just kind of feed it a little faster, and you don't want to wait for that whole 13 foot to go ahead and cut all the way down. You just go ahead and decrease this or increase this, and it'll allow for a different stroke. We'll demonstrate. Right now we have it on full stroke. And the blade will go all the way down to the other side as it's supposed to. Now, of course, this machine is not leveled, not bolted down, but you can hear how quiet everything is, running really nice and smooth. So now let's say we want to go ahead and cut some straps and we don't need it to go the full length. We're going to do some real production on this guy. We're going to go ahead and turn this down. And you see how quick that stroke is. It only went about a foot here. I'll go ahead and move it to about halfway, and you'll see it come about halfway. You see we're stopping right at the other half of the shear. So if you did have a 6 foot piece, it's just going to increase your production that much more. We'll go ahead and just cut a little material for you. Got all hydraulic hold downs, holding the piece down, of course. Now we do carry lighter duty shears. This is one of the heavier duty ones. So this is really meant for full production, something you're going to be using every day. If you need something that's going to be lighter gauge material and you're not going to use it as much, then you can save some money maybe and get a lighter material machine. So there's the middle and the side, and everything's cutting really nice and clean. Go ahead and cut one more side here. Now, you hear that noise, that's the back gauge. So every time we hit that back gauge, we know we're gonna be at the exact right spot. We're not gonna have to measure anything out. You can see the line in there if you do have something scribed, but you don't need to have it scribed because that back gauge is gonna be right on point. Once again, nice clean cut all the way through. Now, if you're interested in this shear or any other, we do carry new as well as used. They're here on our floor. We're one of the largest demonstrating dealers of machinery on the planet. They are here on our floor to see and check out. You can see lots of other shears. We can work with you. Make sure it's the right machine for you. Give us a call, 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.